first ever graphic kit in America, all the way from Barcelona, Spain by JDM Wraps. And now you get the grand reveal in 3, 2, 1. I wanted to share some quick details and just explain how the process went, because I know how much you guys just care so much about this wrap. Because honestly, I mean, in my opinion, it is the cleanest looking MT09 out here. Besides, you know, the ones that are outfitted with a shit ton of money. You know, you can't hide money. But this wrap looks amazing. All right, and just to show you kind of how it went for me, as you could see up close, everything is pretty smooth. There's no crazy bubbles on the wrap itself. It's kind of hard to see. There's no crazy bubbles on the wrap itself. There are some imperfections that are really hard to see right there maybe. The wrap itself did come from Barcelona, Spain, so it did take a while to get here, and it costs maybe 50 bones for shipping, you know what I mean? The wrap itself, like, it's different, right? If you wrap a motorcycle or if you wrap anything, there's a different technique you use, because you stretch the material really far and you just tuck it under. Compared to if you do a graphic kit, there is no access. There's just what you have, and it has to fit in the perfect spot, right? That could be really tricky, especially right here with the tank. These two separate pieces, that was pretty tricky to fit perfectly in here, because as you can see over here, it's kind of overlaying inside, and over here I guess I had a little room, but when you're going through with the lines, it's pretty tricky. At least it was for me. I'm no pro. I'm not that good. I've just wrapped my motorcycle back in the day, and they looked a lot worse than this one. So yeah, regardless, all the wraps you see out there, they either got like a shark design in the front biting. Honestly, look at me. I look Hispanic something. If I get anything that's in the market in America, people are gonna immediately assume I'm Puerto Rican. But this one, in my opinion, baby, looks like a track missile, bro. It's just like a hoonigan machine, dude. I ain't evading the cops at all. They all gonna see this beast and remember it. It looks so good. It took me about, I say 2 days, but not a full 2 days. Probably if I wanted to put it into hours, probably like a good 10 hours to do, because I took my time, did it slowly and just enjoyed the process, you know. But as you can see, some spots are not wrapped. Obviously this whole tank piece is not wrapped, but it did come with wrap to put on there. I just fucked it up. So what I decided to do, instead of installing that piece, which was a black piece that just goes all through here and covers all the design, is I cut into it and I put these pieces on. I don't know, I just gave it a little flair, and I cut pieces off of it and put it over here too. Probably not the best thing, but it was my only option, because like I said, I couldn't do it. I tried. I didn't necessarily mess it up, I just couldn't do it. I tried laying it, taking it off, laying it, taking it off, and I couldn't get the hang of it, so I just plan B, baby, plan B. I also got a lot of extra material. Like this, they gave me a lot more pieces than I needed. I think it was for like if you had winglets and or belly pan, you could have installed those. I also got these wheel stickers, baby. 09 on one side, dark side of Japan on the other. I really messed up the one for the rear. I guess I'll show you guys so you don't make the same mistake I did. Can't really see it, but back there next to the sticker, you'll see I have some missing paint. Okay, it peeled up the paint whenever I was applying it and unapplying it and this and that. It's not a Ducati, okay? It's not a Ducati. Another thing I got that I'm geeked about is this tank cover right here. Yeah, I could have bought an all black one, whatever, but this one, baby, it looks good, man. It looks custom. Look at that. No harm, no foul too, man. It's just a little piece of plastic on the top, and it looks good. And to me, genuinely, this gas tank is one of the reasons I fell in love with this motorcycle. This curve right here on both sides, and your legs just hug it. Oh, babe. I wasn't even mad not putting the top piece on. Honestly, my girl made a valid point. She was like, oh, no worry, you got these lines right here. And I was like, you know what, bro? You're right. For the first time in your life, you are right. They didn't have a piece for this back piece, because this is like a piece from eBay. They're not gonna they're not gonna make a piece for that, I don't think. But genuinely, this is my favorite kit for this bike. I cannot find one other kit that even came close. Some other kits, they look good and they look like an OEM plus style kit, but that's not me. That's not me. I like a just a mean looking machine that looks custom. It looks custom. I think it looks freaking phenomenal. Obviously it's not custom. Anybody could buy it. It's custom to them, maybe, whatever. But it's not custom to me. That shop is phenomenal. JTM wraps. The other generation MT09s look way better with graphic kits installed, just because of the surface area they cover with that kit. They cover like all this and stuff like that with the graphic kit, so it's just a lot more design that goes into it. Makes it look less naked, you know what I mean? Which is, you know, fire, baby. So if you guys are geeks just like I am, slide over to JTM Wraps. Tell them I sent you if you want, because I think I was the first person, because it was the first time going through the shipping process with me, right? Because I was the first guy in the United States that bought stuff from them. So kind of cool, kind of dope, and I would love to get them some business, because they're honestly, they were fire. They communicated with me through Instagram, and they were just great people, bro. And I love how this bike looks so much. You know, let's get less Puerto Ricans out there on the road. First time I actually took a W. Go, baby, more W's. But that's all for me, people. Stay motivated, stay grinding, get what you want in life, and peace out. Slay bodies.